I want to show you, if I can, or talk about the pictures we've seen over the last 24 hours at the southern U.S. border with Mexico and Tijuana, where some 500 migrants from Central America ran toward the border. There was tear gas used to push them back. Tear gas, some people note, on women and children. What do you see here?
This is horrible. We have a humanitarian problem at our border. President Trump has argued that our immigration system needs to be fixed, yet for the last 2 years under his presidency, controlling both the House and the Senate, the Republicans, they have not taken any action to improve our immigration system. Instead, they put all their weight behind building a $28 billion wall that the experts tell us will do very little to protect our security at the border. So the circumstances, you have people who are fleeing horrible circumstances in their own country. Many fear their own lives. They have legitimate concerns about their safety. They want to seek asylum in the United States. There's a process that needs to be followed for that. The Trump administration is not following those guidelines. So they're making the circumstances worse. And here we look at children being subjected to tear gas. That's the United States causing that. That's outrageous.
That's the United States causing that? Because I think other people will look at that and say these are 500 migrants who broke the law by rushing the border, by storming that wall there. Don't they have responsibility?
There's a better way to handle this. The United States has caused, the Trump policies has caused the anxiety at the border. There is an orderly process that should have been used. Should we fix our immigration system? Absolutely. But this administration's made no effort to fix our immigration system.
But again, you say President Trump has caused this. Those migrants, the some 5,000 migrants, many of them at a stadium, they're the ones who chose to march up from Central America. They're waiting at that stadium now. Those 500 migrants are the ones that chose to rush the border. What is the right response if you have hundreds of people running toward the border like
Trump,
that?
The Trump administration illegally has changed the asylum rules. People who have legitimate reasons to escape persecution should be able to have their case heard here in the United States in an orderly way. That's being denied by the Trump administration. The Trump administration took children away from their parents at our border. That circumstance has still not been fixed, even though there's a court order to that effect. In the eyes of the international community, the United States is certainly not a leader in what we should be doing in regards to people fleeing danger.